In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Cloudflare to Shopify and configure your domain correctly for your online store. If you're new to this setup, the process mainly involves connecting your custom domain to Cloudflare, updating your DNS records, and making sure Shopify recognizes the domain properly. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and add your custom domain if it hasn't been added already. Next, allow Cloudflare to scan your existing DNS records. Review the imported records carefully and make sure everything looks correct before continuing. If your domain isn't already using Cloudflare, update the name servers at your domain registrar with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Once the changes finish propagating, your domain will become active in the Cloudflare dashboard. Now open the DNS section in Cloudflare. Configure the DNS records according to Shopify's domain requirements, making sure the necessary records point to the correct Shopify values. After saving your DNS changes, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard and open the domain settings. If your custom domain hasn't been connected yet, add it to Shopify and follow the verification steps. Shopify will check your DNS records and confirm the connection once everything is configured correctly. After the domain is verified, make sure it is set as your primary domain if that's how you want customers to access your store. Next, visit your website and test a few pages to confirm that your store loads correctly over HTTPS and that the domain is working as expected. If you recently updated your DNS settings, remember that changes can take some time to fully propagate before everything works everywhere. And that's how you connect Cloudflare to Shopify. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.